This is a guitar tutorial for Watercolor Eyes by Lana Del Rey. We're going to use 4 chords. That's all you're going to need, so be sure to stick around till the end and you'll be able to play the song. We have 4 chords. We have a G, we have a B, we have a C, and we have a D. Okay, now, how do we play it to make it sound like the original? What we do is the following. I'm just going to grab a pick. You put on your G chord and you pick out towards the bridge. That'll give you the tone. So it goes... Okay, I'll do that one more time. So basically we're picking E string, G, B, G. Do that twice, then you get your B bar chord. If you're not into bar chords, just play a B7 and pick the same strings. It will sound pretty similar. And we go. We start with that. So we pick A, D, G, B, and then you pick the D string next. Right, so that's the first 2 chords, the G. Next up we got our C chord. And with the C chord you're going to go, basically pick the A string and pick the G string at the same time with your fingers. Like that. If that's a bit tricky for you, you can use your fingers, it's okay. You could go, just want to give you options. So on the C we go. We do that twice. And finally then we get our D chord. And we're basically just picking down the strings. And that's the whole song. I'll play it once so you get context. Be sure to watch this. Context, not context. Be sure to watch this because it'll give it a lot more context for you. Here we go. So 3, 4. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next lesson.